Want to change your age on your Apple ID? Here's how to do it step by step. Method 1. From iPhone Settings. Open Settings. Tap your name at the very top. Select Personal Information. Tap on Birthday. Now update it to the correct date. Tap Save. Your Apple ID age will now be updated. If you can't edit your birthday, don't worry. Try this. Go back to Settings. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If it's turned on, turn it off. Now go back and try changing your birthday again. Still not working? Use Method 2. Method 2. Change age. From the web, open Safari or any browser. Go to account.apple.com, sign in with your Apple ID, tap the menu at the top, and select Personal Information. Tap Birthday. Update your date of birth and tap Save. And that's it. That's how you change your age on your Apple ID. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Apple tips and fixes.